In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily attach photos to email on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Mail app, and then in order to compose a new email, tap at that icon. After that, first off, tap at that plus sign and add a recipient. Then you can add subject for that email, and then just put the cursor to email body. You can add some text first, and then just put cursor in the place you want to add image, and then just tap at that image icon. That will open up your camera roll, and from here you can choose any photo or multiple photos in that way. Also you can attach video, and once you're done with selecting files you want to attach, just tap at that cross icon to close it. As you can see, I have just added 2 photos to email body, and all we have to do now is just tap at that send button, and then it says that this message is 843 kilobytes, and we can reduce message size by scaling images to one of the sizes below. So we can choose small, medium or actual size, just like that. After that, the message will be sent. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.